Yeah, man, people. So we done a Balla cat place, so now you don't know enough. Portland, with the boatland. Yeah.
Portland. Remember that, yeah.
Alright, you know.
Portland, you know.
We're dealing with the poor people, them good.
Yeah,
The Prime Minister not do it, you know. But we do it, don't we?
We have to do it.
See that, people?
we have to do it, yeah.
Balla, make them know where we're going without
Yeah,
today.
man, we are going to drop off some stock give poor people, them same way, you know, here.
Yeah.
Same way, man. We just are going to drop off and one package onto the unfortunate. Them. You see me, I
Yeah.
say, "Cause nobody now look for them.
I
So
put
we
them
have
lock
to
up
look
in the
for them,
boss
you know.
and nothing now go on for them.
Hey, stay in. And everybody can buy 1 month food to stay in, you know, brother.
But Balla, remember, you know, the man them say all work lock off, all bar lock off, everything lock off.
So
all the people want to stay down though. Eat the
stay in and
furniture.
dead for hungry, brother.
Remember saying only big supermarket can open, you know.
Yeah.
All right.
Rich man alone and make money, you know.
And then the work now go on, so nobody can go to supermarket.
So hungry, the rich man can survive. Because
Yeah.
remember, you know, the poor man we have to go look £15 every day, you know.
Yeah.
And like him can buy £10, you know. Him have to look a pound every day.
Every day.
So if you lock him up, him have a problem. So we have to make some source for them. And I have a problem with the lock up because I want to get rid of the disease. You understand me?
But Balla, you have to tell you something.
We have to have sources for food.
And the disease we want to get rid of, the radiation.
Oh, you mean, I tricky thing we want to get rid
Yeah,
of, man. I
because
tricky
Jamaica,
thing.
we are the cleanest people on the planet.
Yeah, man.
So if Corona come to Jamaica.
Corona
and them
not
say,
there,
and
man.
them say eat, kill Corona, and Jamaica hot right enough for the
Yeah,
5G.
man. Yeah, man.
So, and if Corona there, they say seawater get rid of Corona, but what the Prime Minister tell us for those? Stay from the beach.
Stay from the beach.
So that means say, wow, see now we are dead.
No man, nobody get better.
So about people you are going now, see that, and them youth and the youth, them see them.
With them, man. With them,
man.
Yeah.
A Portland is with them, no corona there, you know. The whole around.
Yeah.
One link
See
here.
it
man,
and the village
really,
clean.
man.
Clean,
Yeah,
man.
rich badness.
Rich badness,
Yeah.
you know, brother.
And we
No corona in another community. I know they not find one in there. None of them.
not one.
Yeah,
All right, now people, I put some bag where drop off, give look at poor people with some food. So they know I saw the thing, go rich badness. I saw we do the thing. Yeah,
Said we.
Out there, yeah.
Yeah.
Without fear, man.
yeah.
Man.
Yeah, man, so Balla cat right now. LLO, so the whole Portland family right now. What call that? What are they? Charity organization there.
Charity organization date.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
have to go around and do some things to the people.
Yeah.
Because here go on. We have to give back something, you know.
yeah.
We can't just feel say we
In
have to just
return,
take it and
that's
just
it.
do it well. We just take it and we're gone.
You know, so right now, I will people should vote for because you go now. The Prime Minister get over big much billions of dollars now give to you know. Until they accept the chip or the injection, you know. I see that. How we do it?
It look like I help you if you help him. Cause you have some people
Brogan,
when
love the
sick.
Brogan.
Yeah,
So it's like we have to assist some people for your brother.
Yeah.
So you want to. Well, you give it the strength to cause where you not see we see.
We
Yeah.
don't see it.
so I will take care of the people right now. So save her, rich bandits.
Yeah, cause you want to, you can't look for the people them alone and we maintain them
You
thing
have to
already,
look for the
brother.
people around a little corner, some
Yeah,
place
man.
where them barely can come up front.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
cause you know
Remember
so
that.
when voting time them is there.
Dead
Yeah. So we say them now look out for the man who walk with stick.
You
No.
have to look for them man that will come from way
Them
up on the
people
hillside
them we
up on
look
the
for, brother.
way
Yeah.
way
Mr.
up
Big
on the
can't do
place, you
anything
know.
for himself
So
already,
no
you know,
look for the
man.
people
Yeah.
just on the
We
flat.
don't need to move to Mr. Big. Mr. Big need to move to the weaker
Yeah.
people. Them.
Yeah.
That's so me see it, brother. So. You
Yeah.
don't see it, so you not say nothing, brother. Move to the weaker people. Them a life we are protect. Why you think them a protect Corona from the people? Them no want them dead. So at the same time, we have to give them food to make sure them can survive.
Yeah.
Now say go rich badness.
I said go.
Same way, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I people them will say,
So
yeah.
people, we love the movement so we go on. So for those say Portland, Balla cat them and the whole entourage care for the poor. You
Up
understand?
there, man. Up there,
Up there
for
with
sure,
them.
man.
Yeah, man. Way up there. So people, we saw them on the campaign.
Look out for it.
Easy, book out for it.